Hello, to edit lock screen clock style on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to be on your lock screen, and now you have to press and hold your lock screen. You have to unlock your phone, and now press customize. Now we have to press this widget on our lock screen, and here we have our clock. We can change the clock to digital, we can change it to hours only and minutes only, as you can see. And to also, if you want to change the style of your clock, the font, actually, here we have the font button, and here we can change the font. And also, if you want to change the color of our font, of our clock, basically all of these widgets probably. Oh no, it applies only to this clock. Alright, so if you want to change the color of this clock, we simply have to change the primary color right here, and basically that's how you do it. That's how to customize your how to change the style of your clock. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.